A large number of unorganized workers took to streets of Palandari in Sudhnoti district of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir against Islamabad administration. They shouted anti-Pakistan slogans and accused the government of being apathetic and insincere towards their plights. They said that they are being exploited in their various fields of employment owing to absence of a substantive wage policy in the region. They alleged that the local and the federal administration are plundering the region and not providing any service or facility for the people. A steep rise has been recorded in the inflation and there has not been any hike in remunerations or wages. According to a protester, they are being paid at least 40% less than what they deserve.
हमारे मसाइल ये हैं जी कि इनकी सैलरी जो है वो 9,000 रुपये है, जबकि हुकूमत पाकिस्तान ने और उस वक्त आसिफ अली जरदारी साहब ने, मियां नवाज शरीफ साहब ने 15,000 रुपये का नोटिफिकेशन जारी किया, जो कि हुकूमत पंजाब में इस वक्त जो वर्कशार मुलाजमीन हैं उनको हर माह 15,000 रुपये मिलता है। लेकिन यहाँ की सितम ज़रीफ़ी और हुकूमत आज़ाद कश्मीर की जुतम ज़रीफ़ी का ये नतीजा है कि आज भी हमारे ये मेहनत कश मज़दूर जो दिहाड़ी के ऊपर सड़क पे ऊपर काम करते हैं उनको 9,000 रुपया मिलती है, जो कि हमें नाकाबिले कबूल है।
The number of workers getting even this amount is very limited. The situation is even worse for many others. The workers are made to toil hard and are offered a meager salary in return, which is not enough to fetch even a square meal for the family. Analysts hold government responsible for the situation that has sparked protests and has a potential of a rebellion.
ये सरमायादारी निज़ाम का जो तारीखी एक बहरान है कि जिसके नतीजे में मेहनत कश तबके को इस हद तक मफलूज, इस हद तक लागर कर दिया गया है कि वो अपनी जो रोज़मर्रा की जो उसकी ज़रूरियात हैं उनकी तकमील में वो उसकी जो एक जबर है उसकी चक्की में लगातार पिस रहा है। हम समझते हैं कि जो वक्त का बहरान है, जो हालात का जबर है, जो सरमायादारी का बहरान है, ये फिर मज़दूर तबके को उस नुक्ते की जानब, उस मकाम की जानब धकेल रहा है जहाँ पे मजदूर तबके के पास कोई और हल नहीं बचेगा सिवाय इसके कि वो मैदान के अमल के अंदर आए और जिद्दोजहद करे और एक इनकलाब के जरिए यहाँ पे अपनी जो जिल्लत है उसका खात्मा कर सके।
Demonstration and protests have become a common sight in the region as people are compelled to come to streets for numerous issues that remain unresolved by the administration. Ever since Pakistan invaded the region some 7 decades back, it has meted out a second-class citizen treatment to the people of the region. In most of the citizenry plights, the government is either complicit or culpable. It makes tall claims of granting these people rights at par with the normal citizens of Pakistan. However, the fact is that these people are deprived even the fundamental rights. They do not have even basic facilities at their homes. The resources of the region are exploited with impunity and no amount of share is returned to the people of the region. If demanded, they are subjected to supreme high-handedness of the state.